Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to search music in the YouTube audio library. So let's jump in. So you want to head over to YouTube and of course go to your YouTube channel by clicking your account in the upper right and go into the YouTube studio. While you're inside the YouTube studio, you want to scroll down on the lower left and find the audio library. You can find it here, you click on it. This is where you'll be able to find all the free music from YouTube or provided by YouTube, and you can easily download them. Now, to search at the top here, you can see that there's a search bar. You can click it, and here you can basically search by title. You can search by track. You can search by genre. You can search by quite a few, right? So you also have mood, artist name, duration, attribution, and not attribution, right? So let's say I wanted to search for something with a calm mood. I can basically click calm and apply, and you can do multiple things at the same time. So if I go back here and I wanted to search something with ambient and I also want something with classical, I can search for both and apply. And you can see that ambient is there, classical is there, and so forth, right? And of course, you can search by whatever is available there to you. So let's say I'm going to search something with word. Let's type the word love. Hit the search, right? There you can see that it will find music with love, right? For example. So different kind of feelings, so you'll find it, right?
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
If I want to search for something with the title itself, right, I could search for track title. So anything with the word love, I could try that. And anything with the word in the title that contains love, it will basically search for it, as you can see as well. So there are different ways to search, right? And you have music, you have sound effects, and of course anything that you favorite. And so that's pretty much it. Super easy to use, and that's how to search music in the YouTube audio library. Very easy and very simple.